Hello, my dear second class children. A very good morning to everyone. Welcome back to our EVS class. Children, as you know, we are learning about plants. Okay, in the previous class, we learned about the functions of a plant and the parts of a plant and where the plants will grow. Today in our class, we are going to learn what today guess. Okay, how do plants and trees help us? Do you know plants also help to human beings and animals? Okay, it is plants will help us human beings. Okay, plants are our dearest friends. Do you know, children? Who are the best friends? You have the best friends, no? Maybe your classmates, maybe the people who are living near your house. But plants, the nature is our dearest friend. So plants is the most dearest friends to us. When they grow big, they became trees. So small plant, when you sow the seed in the soil, no, any seed, apple seed, orange seed, watermelon seed, brinjal seed, then what, bitter ground, any seed you take and you put it in the soil, no. So some 2 or 3 days, so what will happen? A small baby plant will come out from the soil. Then when you pour the water, when you give the minerals, then the plant will go like this. Then it will grow day by day by day by day, grow like and became tree. So when the plant is small, it is called a plant. When it will grow up big like this, so it became a tree. We should call tree. Understood? Trees have many uses. Trees will give many uses to the human beings. Human beings means people, you and me. Understood, children? We cannot live without them. Do you know, children? What in our lesson, what they are saying? Without plants, we cannot live. Can't you live without plants? Okay, today we are going to learn how we can't live without plants. Their most important uses are, so how plants will help us. What is the first one? They give us oxygen to breathe. Do you know the oxygen is the new word for you? Oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N. Oxygen. Oxygen is nothing but air. Air, what you are breathing, మనం ఏది పీల్చుకుంటున్నాము, that is called air. So what the plants will do? Plants will purify the air and they will give the clean air to the humans to breathe. So if there is no plants, how the air will be cleaned? Without plants, the air will not be clean. So what the plants, what they are taking all the dirty air, that is carbon dioxide. If you go to 3rd and the 4th class, then you can use this carbon dioxide. Now here we are using oxygen. Oxygen means the clean air. So who is cleaning the air here? The plants are cleaning the air and they are giving clean air to us, for all the human beings to breathe. Breathe means without air can't we live, children? No, we'll die without air. Understood? So who is helping us? Plants and trees are helping us by cleaning the air. Then the next is they make air clean. The first one, they give the oxygen and they make air clean. The second one, they make air clean. Do you know who will make the air clean? Plants and trees. They will make air clean. And the third one, they provide us with food like fruits and vegetables. Do you know? Now who will give the fruits and vegetables? More market or Reliance you are getting from there? No. So plants are giving fruits and vegetables. When you go to the farm or fields, then you can see. So the mango tree will give mango fruits, apple tree will give apple, will give banana tree will give bananas, brinjal plant will give brinjal, spinach, coriander, chilies. All these are food items we are getting from plants. We are giving fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. Okay. Then they also give us a lot of different things. Do you know, not only they give the air to breathe, and they will clean the air, and they will give the food like vegetables and fruits, but they also give us a lot of different things. Today we are going to learn your class what the trees will give us. Okay, the first one, fruits and vegetables. Okay, the fruits and vegetables, what they will give? Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and like children, fruits and vegetables. Then they will give cereals. Do you know what is the cereals? Cereals is nothing but the corn, what is maize, all these called the cereals. And they will give pulses. Pulses means pappulu. Understood? You know, they will give all pulses. Grains. Grains means rice, wheat. These are all called grains. So first they will give fruits and vegetables, then they will give the cereals, pulses, grain, and they will give oil to children. No, plants will give oil. How plants will give oil? You ask me, no? Groundnut, palli. You eat the palli, no? From palli you get the oil. From the sunflower you get the oil. From coconut you get the oil. You can make. Okay, from the till you can make the oil. So where we get all these from the plants? No. Okay. Then they will give medicines. How come, teacher? You ask me, no? How plants will give medicines? Okay, plants will give medicines like neem tree. Neem tree is very good for our health. Tulasi also, if you get cold, cough, so what your mama will do? She will boil the tulasi leaves and the neem leaves, and she will give the drink for you, no? That is the medicine, isn't it? Okay, the plants will give medicines also. Medicine. Then plants will give soaps also, children. You know, plants will give soap. How? Soaps will, they make soaps with the flowers. Flowers are give nice smell, no? Aroma means smell. So what they will do? They make with the flowers, with the soaps. They make soaps with the flower. Then they give tea and coffee. Plants will give tea and coffee. Coffee plants and tea plant. How the plant? The tea leaves will, the tea plant, they'll pluck all the leaves, and they'll make into smaller part, that is called the tea. And the coffee, they have the seeds, coffee seeds. Okay, then they will give fiber to cloth. So what the plants will giving the clothes to us? How? The cotton plant. In our school there is a cotton plant is there, so they will give cotton. So what we will do with the cotton? We will do clothes to cotton, and they will give wood, and the plants will give wood. Wood means from wood what you make benches, chairs, furniture, doors, windows, all you can make, no, with the wood. Understood? See, these plants will give what? Plants will give us? Plants will give us fruits and vegetables. They give cereals, pulses, grains, and they give oil, and they give medicines, and they give soap, and they give tea and coffee, and they will give cotton, and they will give wood. So these are the uses of plants. Now children, I hope you understand how plants will help us, what they are giving to us. Children, okay, be safe at home and learn all these spellings till safe, and we'll meet in another next class with interesting topic. Until, be safe children. Thank you.